Good morning, everyone. Yes, I have the dogs in the house, and you might hear some slopping or something. This is the pick that I showed you guys a couple of days ago that I was working on with the copper and the brass, and this is nickel pins, and it's pretty cool. See that little ding right there? I put that on just about every pick I've ever made right there. But look at that wood, man. That wood really, that wood really turned out nice. I don't know why I stopped right there. I was going to put some 45s in there, but then it would make the tail section way too heavy. You know, I kind of test fired it, and it was pretty heavy right now. So if I was to add the 45s back here, it would just make more tail weight. And oh, I put a fingerprint on there. Oh boy. And this is 15 thousandths. And it's pretty cool. I haven't picked with this particular pick yet. I have no idea how it's going to pick, but the profile is correct. Even though it looks kind of like a deep hook, it is correct because I checked it this morning. So, having said that, let's see how this pick picks. I'm not really sure if this thing is going to... Wow, that's a pretty good view. Let's see how it feels. Kinda. It feels kind of tight. It does feel tight. It does feel kind of tight, but not really all that bad. Not really all that bad. It picks pretty smooth, but I do like that profile, man. That profile has turned out pretty cool. Anyway, I'm going to be sending this here off to somebody probably in the next day or two. Wow. So, there it is, my friends. Finished product. And I hope you guys are taking care of yourselves. They say that the upswing and the 19 is starting now, so I don't know what they mean by that stuff, but take care of yourselves, man, and I'll talk to you guys later on.